Hello everyone, this video is all about recursion. So in this concept we are going to solve a problem called like nth Fibonacci number. So let's start with understanding what are Fibonacci numbers. So 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, so on. This is a series, Fibonacci series. So the first number would be 0 and the second number would be 1, and to find the third number we sum up the previous two values, which are 0 and 1, and we get this one. So if to find the fourth number we sum up previous two values of this, like second and third term, which would be 1 plus 1 is 2. So similarly we get the other numbers. So in this we have to find the nth number. For example, if I want the fourth number in this series, fourth number is 2, so I should get an output as 2. Let's look at the code. So I defined a function named fib which takes a number n, which is the nth term. So if n is equal to 1, I say return 0. What does this mean? So n equal to 1 means it is the first term. First term in the series, as we know, is 0, so we return 0. If n is equal to 2, I am saying return 1 because second term is 1. In any other case, we compute the value. Like if you want a third term, you are computing it. So if this is a recursion, so we say fib of n minus 1 plus fib of n minus 2. So what is recursion? Recursion is calling the function inside a function. So fib itself is a function. I am calling the same function inside it. So now it would be fib of n minus 1 plus fib of n minus 2. Let's understand how this is working. So if I want to find the fourth term, I would call fib of 4. N value would be 4. Now I have in this function, this is a function, fib is a function. In this function I have three statements. The first statement is comparison of n with 1. So 4 is equal to 1 is false. It doesn't get executed. If n is equal to 2, so is 4 is equal to 2, false. So it doesn't get executed. So it comes to else part and it computes this. Fib of, it itself is calling fib of again the same function. N minus 1, 4 minus 1 is 3, plus fib of n here is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2. Now this function is calling these two functions. So fib of 3 gets executed first. So again there are three statements in this function. First statement, fib of 3 is equal to 1, false. 3 is equal to 2, false. Then it again calls fib of 3 minus 1, which is 2, plus fib of 3 minus 2, which is 1. Right? Now again fib of 2. Fib of 2 is, first statement is false. Second statement is true. So it returns value 1 to it. So fib of 2 gives as value 1. Now fib of 1. If fib of 1, we return 0. So this is returning 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. So fib of 3 value is 1. Now it similarly computes fib of 2. Is 2 is equals to 1? False. Is 2 is equals to 2? True. So 1 is returned out of it. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So these two function summation is 2. So fib of 4 is equal to 2. This is how a recursion works, and this is called a recursion tree. So I hope this is easy to understand. Thank you everyone.